In this tutorial, we'll see how polygons can have more than 3 edges. And we'll find out when it's best to use these multi-sided polygons. In the second part of this tutorial, we'll see how polygons don't have physical attributes like real objects, and we'll see how this can help us build certain models. Here is a cylinder made of triangles. We can simplify this mesh to eliminate edges that occur on flat surfaces. This sort of mesh is much easier to view, but as far as the computer is concerned, it's still made of triangular polygons. The edges are simply hidden from our view. So here is a quad face. It has 4 edges. This polygon has 32 edges. We can call it an n-gon. The n represents a number of more than 4 edges. So tri equals 3 edges, quad equals 4 edges, and n-gon equals more than 4 edges. Let's take a closer look at this polygon. As we can see, it's still made of triangles, but they're just hidden from our view. This polygon is flat, or planar, but as soon as we pull one vertex down, this polygon is no longer flat. We call this non-planar. In computer terms, we're simply pulling down one aspect of a triangular mesh. Behind the scenes, the computer is deciding how these triangles are placed. If an n-gon isn't flat, it's best to divide it manually so the computer isn't randomly splitting the mesh. A quad polygon can also become non-planar. But sometimes it's okay, especially if the mesh is to become a subdivision surface. This is because the smoothing often requires quad polygons to work properly. Games meshes, however, are often left as triangles. Because they have a limited number of polygons, we want to be able to tell the computer exactly how to divide the mesh. For example, here is a problem with the bear's arm. The computer has triangulated the model badly, leaving a crease mark. But we can eliminate this by flipping this edge. Just remember that polygons with more than 3 sides are really made up of hidden triangles. Here are some models with regular and triangulated meshes. The models are exactly the same, the regular versions are just easier to look at and use. This concludes the first section of this tutorial covering multi-sided polygons. Polygons have no physical attributes. Like ghosts, polygons can intersect and pass right through each other. Sometimes we can use these qualities to cheat situations that otherwise wouldn't be possible. These objects are intersecting each other to create a set of teeth. The parts of this robot also intersect each other. This concludes part 2 of this tutorial on intersecting polygons.